guys! So I finally have time to do a sit-down video. It's been so long, I feel like. So I thought I would just clean out my purse tonight because it's a disaster from doing all this moving, going back and forth every single day. I would just throw things in here. I don't even know what else in here. So, it's looking really jumbled. I mean, seriously, it looks like a trash can. So, yeah, we're just gonna go ahead and get what doesn't need to be in here out. This is actually from today. We ran to Target. Another Target receipt from a while ago now. My last Dollar Tree receipt. A charger that I grabbed from the upstairs of my mom's house before we left because I almost forgot it. Glad I didn't. A McDonald's toy. That's obviously Alden's. You guys see? Can you guys see this red mark right here? I can't really turn my arm anymore, but I burned my arm on the air fryer earlier today. I literally was just like, I was unplugging it so I could push it back to have room to cut a pizza, and I just went bam that quick, and it was just a little line, and it like got even bigger throughout the day. It burned real bad. Try and move this a little bit. A Mario guy that is also Alden's. So anything he wanted to play with throughout the day and stuff would be thrown in here. My planner, a mask for Alden, my pill container, so all this stuff is staying, my other phone, my keys, my notebook, some Kleenex, another Dollar Tree receipt, and then I found this while cleaning the other house. I'm assuming my mom had this a long time ago. It says 1991 on it. Just an I Love Lucy, like, collectible card. So, of course, I'm keeping that. Not in my purse, though. Wet wipes. Candy wrappers. My wallet, which feels so heavy from all the change. Phone case. Gum. Another mask for Alden. More toys. My caramel apple caramels. My mask. Sunglasses. Oh, our little treasure map. Chip clip. Highlighters. Markers. Eye drops. This you've seen goes with the purse. Oh, I guess I never took that second pack of these out. My hand sanitizer. Oh my god, more receipts. Candy. My list from earlier. More pens, highlighters, mints. Another receipt. Oh, I found, my mom had this little like travel Q-tip thing. It's just cardboard, but I thought why not keep some Q-tips in my purse in case I need it. More candy. A marble. More candy. Another chip clip. Oh my god. There's literal just junk in here. Nasal spray. Pen and highlighter. Another pen. One of Alden's socks. Oh, Lord. Oh, another sock. My body spray. My red nail polish from when I painted my nails for the last time in my mom's house. Oh, my aunt gave me these eye drops. They're Refresh eye drops. I'm gonna keep those where I know where they're at. Empty Kleenex. scrunchie, baby aspirin, my green nail polish, Alden's airplane, Alden's flashlight, mirror, my very old phone from when I first got my own cell phone line back in like 2010 with T-Mobile, so Alden plays with this now. It couldn't have died. No, maybe it did. Some Aleve. Nail clippers. Alden's little keys. More markers. Another airplane. Psoriasis stuff. More candy. Mints and more candy. Oh my god, there's so much in here. A bobby pin. My aunt found this name tag that was my mom's when she used to work at this store that doesn't exist anymore, and I just thought it was cool. I was going to keep it. We actually found these two Nintendo DS games at the park. One of the last times we went to the park, and I stuck them in my purse. One is Donkey Kong, and the other one I never heard of. It's Chima Lavel's Journey or something. I don't know. Alden plays my DS all the time. It's pretty much his, so I stuck them in my purse. More keys. Super Mario for the DS. Penny. Okay. Looks like the bottom of my purse needs to be vacuumed. Not gonna do that though. Let's see what, I mean, of course my lip glosses and my chapstick. What are these? Okay, more bobby pins, a screw. What the heck is the screw even from? I don't know, but there's 3 of them. Okay. So now that that pocket's cleaned out, a little bit of cash that needs to go in my wallet. Candy wrapper, another candy wrapper, my lotion. Oh, all those little bitty sticky notes, I'm just gonna throw those away. I probably won't use them anyway. More trash. Okay. I'm gonna leave the screws out of my purse and all these bobby pins. Put my lotion back in there. I'm really weird, and I want all of my cash like facing the same way, and you know, I don't know, in order. My mom was always like that, and I get it from her, I know. Alright. This is going back in. Sunglasses. I'm trying to keep my mask in the little slip pocket. It flies out sometimes. Pill container. I've never seen any of my purses like this messy in my life. But again, when you're constantly like moving and doing stuff every day, all day, your purse accumulates a lot. I want to keep my hand sanitizer where I can reach it. Keep these 2 masks for Alden, just in case we go anywhere and take him in. Oops, little planner. I have not kept up with it, but I'll eventually get to it. I'm just going to start throwing stuff in. One of these pens stays in my purse, one stays elsewhere. I don't need these markers in here. keep one of the packs of the caramel apple caramels in here. Baby aspirin. I'll keep the eye drops in here and these eye drops. That way I just know where they're at if I need them. Of course, tissues. I've been so much better since I've been out of my mom's house, out of that basement, but I'm still sneezing and dealing with my nose, but I think it's going to take more than a day of being out of there to really recoup from all of that, because I was breathing in all that like dust and mold and all of that for I don't even know how long. So I know it'll take time, but I can't wait to be normal again. I'm just gonna put these keys in that little pocket. My notebook, because typically when Alden stays in the car with my fiance, I let him watch my phone. So I usually have my lists in my phone, but then I have to write them out because I give him my phone and then I forget everything I need from the store. I'm going to keep the Aleve in here. That I'm not going to keep in my purse. My mirror, though. I will keep the nasal spray just because I have been so messed up lately. Mentos and scrunchie, Altoids, Q-tips. I think that's all that's going to go back in my purse. All of these toys need to go in Alden's room. All of that is his. All of this is trash. And yeah, sorry I did not do makeup tonight. I thought about it. I was like, I should at least do a little something so I look presentable, but I'm still like rubbing my eyes here and there, and I just don't want to deal with that with mascara on, and then I just figured I'd be putting it on to take it right back off. So I will wear makeup again one day. It's just I just haven't had a need to really wear it. So I haven't been making, I mean, I was vlogging every day for a while, and then I took a few days off, but I just didn't want to wear makeup when I was constantly sneezing, and you know, it's not fun to have makeup on, or even like do your makeup. It's just not fun when you're not feeling it. So anyway, I'm not gonna keep blabbering on or anything. I'm gonna put all of this candy away. What time is it? 11:30. So I think I'm gonna watch a little bit more Pretty Little Liars. And then I think I'm going to put on You've Got Mail, because I haven't watched it in a while, and it's such a good fall movie to me. I just adore it. I love Tom Hanks and I know her name, Meg Ryan. I was about to look at, because I have it right up here. I love them together. Their movies are so cute, but I'll probably put that on and maybe like fall asleep to it. Last night I fell asleep to Christmas Vacation, because when I go to sleep I just need something kind of happy, cheery, funny, whatever on, like a good feeling kind of thing. Love Pretty Little Liars, but I don't want to go to sleep like thinking about A and all the shenanigans that A puts everybody through. So anyway, yeah, I am gonna clean up my mess down here, and hopefully talk to you guys again really soon. I've missed sitting down and filming videos. New environment, new background. I don't have a white wall. I mean, I have a white wall. Got many white walls. I just need to like figure out where, you know, I really want to film. I haven't figured it out yet. I just thought I'd sit down in my room and do a quick little video. So that's what I did. And then I just said I need to watch something cheery before I go to bed, and I'm wearing a Serial Killer Documentaries and Chill t-shirt. I love this shirt. I also saw they have a hoodie that says the same thing, and I really want the hoodie as well. I mean, I love me some Serial Killer Documentaries and Forensic Files and all of that, even though it messes with my anxiety so much that I can't watch it alone. You know, I can watch it like when my fiance's watching it with me, but I just can't do it alone anymore. I used to be able to like binge it in bed all the time when I was younger, and now I just think too much about things. So, anyway, sorry it's not the most fascinating video, and I know you've seen me do stuff with this purse several times now, but it really needed to be cleaned out because you saw everything I pulled out of there. That is never normally in that purse. And I promise you, I didn't just throw it in there for the sake of this video. Moving every day, all day, back and forth, from here to there, there to here, for weeks, caused all of this chaos from the time I like switched to this purse. So Alden's actually in here right now because first couple of nights I, you know, in a new place, I was like, yeah, you know, you can sleep in here. So anyway, but yeah, he is excited to have his own room, and we're all very excited. It's crazy that it's like only 11 something and I'm already gonna be getting in bed. I mean, I'm glad, but I don't know, typically I'm up till 3 a.m. just chilling. Just see a foot sticking up. But yeah, my fiance is out there playing his video game, so I was like, you know what? I'm gonna film a quick video, hop in bed, enjoy some more Pretty Little Liars before he comes in and starts snoring. So anyway, I've got a lot to clean up, throw away, put in Alden's room. And yeah, if you guys have any ideas of what you'd like to see, let me know. That way I have some ideas of what to do. I'm looking around like I'm gonna get ideas of what to film next, but I really don't know. If you guys still want me to vlog, I will. Again, I know a lot of people aren't here for that. If you do watch them and you like them and enjoy them, I appreciate that. Thank you. I know my life is boring, but yeah, if you guys want to see anything in particular, just let me know. Like, if you have ideas or anything like that, please throw them my way, because I'm at a loss. I need to sit down and like make a list again of like things I want to do. Of course, I want to do that Q&A. Crap. Christy asked me one more question to add to my list, and I didn't add it to my list yet because I've been so busy. I need to figure out what video she commented on. Christy, if you're watching, and you remember that last question you asked me, can you ask it again? But I haven't even been staying on top of my comments lately. Typically, like, as soon as I see the notification, like, I heart the comment, I comment back, but I have been so busy. I'm hardly checking Facebook these days, so anyway, I will talk to you guys very soon. Bye. All of this came out of my purse. That. But it looks so much better. I'm so much happier now.